Yay. Looks like we're all set now. Race number 2. Good luck to your pick 6 choices. And it's a beautiful break from the gate coming from Northern Fame, moving up from the outside. Inggit ka lang, running by the Italiana to grab the leader. Italiana, Inggit ka lang, followed over by Northern Fame. Then comes Batang Madrid, running by the right answer, moving up Quiet Act, running on the outside. Manang Biday and Isla Dezap is the early trailer, rounding the far turn. Inggit ka lang, Italiana is running by the little Northern Fame, remains in third. Coming in closer now is Batang Madrid out in fourth, now catching the third spot and traveling towards the 600. Two runners keep on fighting out for the lead. Italiana, Inggit ka lang, Batang Madrid now joining in, moving up and splitting horses as they reach the top of the stretch. Three runners now fighting it out for the lead. Italiana, Batang Madrid, Inggit ka lang from the outside. Now we have Batang Madrid grabs the lead. Here comes the right answer now coming from behind. Batang Madrid, right answer now moves up to grab the lead. Now they're after right answer. Batang Madrid shuffle back to second. And at the wire, it's going to be a right answer. Batang Madrid, Italiana, Northern Fame, Inggit ka lang, Manang Biday. Then comes Isla Dezap and Quiet Act.